Yo, Bafwe too. I hope you guys are doing great. All right, today we're going to be talking about RedotPay, guys. So RedotPay, it's this app. If you're finding yourself you're in crypto, guys, you need to have this card, all right, so that you don't need to withdraw your balance every single time to your exchange, Luno, Val, Altcoins Trader, or whatsoever for your daily users. You can actually have daily users. You can actually have this RedotPay app, all right. You buy your card is only costing you $10, right? And you also receive $5 back just for you using the services, right? As you can see, you can deposit funds, right? I have about $10 here, right? That's what I'm remaining with. I'll change it into South African rand since I'm here. And if you come right here, let's see what's happening, what's going on, right? If I press on you will see all the transactions which I've been doing here, right? I deposited $35 and then I spent on buying some beers, right? And buying some stuff, some materials, right? If I come down here, you will see I deposited $8 and so on and so forth, right? I've been making some payments in here and I've been using this card since I joined RedotPay. As you can see, this is basically what's happening. And if you see the first transaction, when you create your account, you KYC yourself, right? You're going to be receiving $5 free, all right? And I put in $30 and I bought the card for $10, right? And then from there I started using. All right, it's basically there's a physical card, all right, and there's also a virtual card. So in my case, this is my virtual card which I'm using. You can add it to your Apple, all right, for your daily transaction use. So yeah, guys, and yeah, I will leave the link in the description if you're interested to get one of these cards for your daily spends. And if you decide to share with others, right, as you can see, you can receive up to 40% in commissions, right? First level, all right, you receive a 20% on card activation. If somebody activate their card, you get a 20% cash back, and all transactions which they're doing, you actually receive a 0.05 for all transactions which you're doing. All right, if you bring in 10 people, all right, you're on level 1. Once you go to 30 people, you go to level 2 and level 3 and so on and so forth. It's not compulsory for anyone to share, all right? My referral link will be in the description for those who would like to take advantage of this card. Make sure that you KYC yourself, all right? If you want to apply for a physical card, you can, all right? There's a possibility of buying a physical card one, all right? So if I press here, as you can see, it's already on my iPhone here. I use it for my daily transaction. That's how it is. You can add it to your cards which you use every single day. As you can see, I got Standard Bank, Nedbank, FNB, and I also have RedotPay, guys. All right, link will be in the description. I will see you on the next one.